Hello, carpet cleaners and cleaners around the world. This is a marketing minute for the cleaning industry, and I am Roger Lloyd. I want to thank you for watching and following me for these marketing minutes. They are to help you do what maybe you're not good at. I can imagine that you can clean some carpet very well, no matter what method you use. I can imagine you clean upholstery very well, no matter what method you use. And that goes for tile and grout and all types of other textiles and things that you clean. But I have been in the cleaning industry for the last 30 years. And in that time, I've cleaned a lot of carpeting, I've cleaned a lot of upholstery, tile and grout, air ducts, mattresses, and the list goes on. Did a lot of water damage and so forth and so on. So that is my credentials and what gives me a little bit of authority to help you with the marketing minutes in the carpet cleaning industry, where we have the IICRC to help us learn the best methods and how to clean, but no one really offers a helping hand on the business aspect of how to manage and how to market to our target markets. So, as you can see, the Christmas tree behind me, which is the last time you will see it this year because we're taking it down. Tomorrow's going to be the day before New Year's Eve. And so we want to get right for the winter time. I'm located in Pennsylvania, which of course is very up East Coast in the colder region. Now, right now, it's kind of amazing because we're having 50 to 60-degree weather, and even in Chicago, some of my followers and all are having 60 to 70-degree weather. But that's nice, and it was great for the holidays. But it's going to be over, just like the holidays, and then we're going to be back to the cold and ready for the winter. And if you're a carpet cleaner by trade, or if that's the main cleaning that you do because you either have a truck mount or a portable, you're getting ready to have to put those up, or you're going to not be using them as much this winter season because people don't like to open up their homes and get their carpets clean. They rather wait, no matter what they know about carpet cleaning or how soiled or dirty it is. They would rather wait to the springtime when the weather gets nice again and they can open up the house so the carpet can dry faster, even if you do use air movers and so forth and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to help you in this marketing minute to understand, even if you're a carpet cleaner for the most part, you're an upholstery cleaner too. There's so many of you that I talk to that are getting expensive upholstery tools between the nature of $395 to maybe $500. And then you're taking upholstery cleaning classes, and we know they start at like $500 or $600, especially if you're getting your IICRC certification. But the one part after you buy the tool, after you learn how to clean it, no one told me or taught me how to market it. So we go for what we know. We try to follow after many others. We look at their ads. We look at the YouTube ads, and then we try to go to social media. And so I would just like to help you in this marketing minute and show you an effective but different way to use social media to your advantage. So let me bring this up. This is my social media page, and I'll bring me up in the corner there. So as you can see here, this is a picture. This is the first thing they will see when they see or scroll past your ad. This is what they'll see. they will see a beautiful, clean, well-designed sectional sofa. And then I have my guy with a close-up. So if they're saying, well, that can't be that pretty. Well, what is that? And then it shows you my guy with a close-up, and he's really cleaning the arm. And it's not just about the cleaning, it's about the design. It's about making it look attractive. I know you guys are probably like, well, as long as I clean it. No, that isn't right. It's not as long as you clean it. People only see your designs and the finished product. And this right here wins me over every time. So in social media, this is what they see. You don't see any before pictures. All you see is after pictures because that's all that matters. Now, this is the part that's really going to floor you, and I might lose some of you right here. This is the text, the post part. And you're like, Roger, you have to have lost your mind. There is no one that's going to read all that. That's just way too much. Well, I'm sorry on both accounts. You couldn't be more wrong. Let me read to you why you couldn't be more wrong. Right here it says consumer notice. See, I don't talk about how great and put a price on it right away. Because no, that's not what it's about. I don't know how soil this is. I don't know how many cushions it's going to be. I need time and I need to get paid for my time. So let's read this. Consumer notice. It's a fact. If you use furniture, it will become soiled. And if you allow that soil to accumulate, your upholstery will wear and discolor in a matter of months, not years. Your well-made furnishings are manufactured to hide soil. Unfortunately, hidden soil grinds away at your fine fabrics. You wouldn't purposely grind pieces of sandpaper in your favorite chair, but in effect, that is exactly what you are doing. Every time you sit on your chair that has not been properly cared for, it's up to you to protect your furniture investment. Take a close look at your favorite couches and chairs. Does the fabric on the arms and seat look darker than the surrounding fabric, or has it been over a year since you had your furniture cleaned? You can keep your valuable furniture looking showroom new for years to come with professional upholstery cleaning. Annual professional cleaning will flush the soil, skin oils, and bacteria from your upholstered furniture. Don't allow your beautiful furnishing to wear out before your very eyes. Call BioClean today, and we will give you a no obligation quote on a guaranteed upholstery cleaning process. Call today and save. And it has my phone number. And clean any 3 pieces of furniture, and we will apply fabric protector absolutely free. That's a $75 value. Fabric protector repels stains and keeps soil from grinding away at your fine fabrics. Free fabric protector offer expires January 31st. We clean blinds and draperies too. And then, once again, it has the pictures that attracted them in the first place. See, ladies, let me tell you something, and gentlemen, you're probably saying, Roger, you done lost your mind again. I'm not giving no fabric protector away. That costs me. Well, of course, you're probably not going to give it away at this point right now because you don't understand how I'm pricing this. See, I'm pricing this at $25 a linear foot. That's a linear foot. So most sofas by themselves, a 6 cushion sofa is about 7 feet. Most love seats are about 6 feet. And then if they have that end piece, because it's a sectional like this one in the picture here, then it's about another 3 feet. And we're not even talking about the ottoman that's about 2 to 4 feet, about 2 feet. So, ladies and gentlemen, right there, we're clearly over $350 a linear foot if you go by my pricing at $25 a linear foot. See, ladies and gentlemen, then it doesn't seem bad when you give some fabric protector away. But it's only 3 pieces that we give away. So that ottoman there, they would still have to pay me to fabric protect that. So that's another $25 because that wasn't included in the 3-piece special when you look at this sectional. But look how attractive in the photos this furniture looks with the designs. See, ladies and gentlemen, you have to understand area rugs, oriental rugs, and upholstery are not looked at like carpet. They're not looked at as flooring. They're looked at as decorative pieces of furniture. That's right, even area rugs and oriental rugs. So you do want the shark teeth look uniform in the furniture after you cleaned it. And that looks attractive to your client. And then if you want, you can apply a little scented deodorizer for another $25. And that brings you clear up to $400 or more just for this sectional right here. This sectional that you are looking at, I made $475 cleaning and protecting and deodorizing that. A lot of you would have just gave them a quick price over the phone. Oh yeah, give me 125, give me 150. At the most, you guys might have said, give me 175 because you hadn't even seen how many cushions and how big it was. Yeah, when you got there, you might have wanted to try to go up, but now they feel bait and switch when you could have just used the ad that I read to you to prep them and the understanding why they need to get their upholstery clean. And then you take 2 after pictures, no need for before pictures, just after pictures, and show how beautiful it would look. And this will get them to call. You don't have to bait and switch them. Even if you need work today, you don't have to put a price up there just to try to get in the door. If you edge a clean, as you always and often hear me say to your clients, why they need to get their upholstery clean, I guarantee you that because you never did it before, you don't know what you're talking about. That's why I laugh when a lot of you guys try to tell me, oh, no, that doesn't work. Are you sure? Are you positive? Let me see the ad that you wrote and let me see it doesn't work. Oh, but when I say it doesn't work, I mean, I can get 10 calls on just putting the price on there. And when I do something like this, if I did do it, I would probably only get 2 or 3 calls. Okay. So you would rather do 20 filthy couches for maybe $100 a piece. And when I can do 3 or 4 of them and make the same money you did and have a returning client or get them on my maintenance plan because they were properly prepped and my known word, edge-a-clean. You're okay. Well, you can keep doing it the hard way if you want. You know, a hard head always makes a soft backside. So it's up to you. But you have someone. I'm not charging you for this just because you're either in my Facebook group or you're on my YouTube channel. You're getting this priceless information for free. And the reason why I give it to you, because I know most of you won't do it. Most of you are like, nope, no. I'm going to do it the way I've been doing it. I'm going to keep throwing ads and pictures on Facebook, and I'm going to charge $100 to $150 just so I can get in and get out the house. And all that work you're going to do, and you're not getting paid or recognized for it. And the last thing I'm going to say to you is the fortune isn't in the job you're doing today. The fortune is in the follow-up and the referrals that you will get. But you're not going to build that if you just put a price on Facebook to get a job today. You have to start thinking about your prosperity and your longevity. All right, carpet cleaning world, happy new year, because I won't talk to you. I won't be making another marketing minute till after the new year, and I want you to enjoy. And if you are in the colder regions, if you are in your slower time or about to be, advertising carpet cleaning is throwing money out the window. If they need a carpet cleaner, they'll call you, but advertise something that will make them call you now. And don't just throw a price up there and some before and after pictures. Throw some of your best after pictures up there. Steal the copy that I just read to you and try to change the way your company is looked at. And this is even deeper. Try to change the way you look at your company. Try that out for size and then get back to me. All right. This is another marketing minute, the last one of 2019. Now you can go into 2020 with a bang. Advertise intelligently to get the best buck, not wear out your equipment and make your clients referral sources and get them on your upholstery cleaning maintenance plan so they can already start paying for this every month, so they don't have to pay you a straight up $450 or whatever you're going to charge them. If you tell them, well, I only charge you $20 a month, I'll take it out your bank account on the first of every month, and then next year we'll just schedule an appointment and we'll just come out and clean your sofas, so you don't even have to worry about paying me when I get back out here. It will already be paid for. That's why you want to listen to me, because everything is moving to subscription based. Think about your Netflix. You have movies galore at your disposal, and you pay either $13 or $15 a month, and everyone in your house can have free galore of Netflix and movies for that little fee. So why can't we do that with the carpet cleaning industry? Why can't we do that with our upholstery cleaning? Well, I just showed you very simply and very easily you can. And if you haven't purchased my residential marketing package for your carpet and upholstery and cleaning business, well, that's something else. It's $350. All the material that I talk about and preach about is in there to help you only do one thing. Go out and sell your services and make you some money. You can give my office a call at 484-420-7220. Ask Janae for the residential marketing package. It's $350. You have to have Microsoft Publisher to be able to edit it, and you will have it within the hour or by the end of the day, and you can start looking professional the very next day. This is Roger Lloyd. Happy New Year. Take what I'm saying for granted and run with it. Give my office a call so you can have these materials at your disposal. Thank you and good night.